What's up, guys? This is my 1994 Toyota Supra SZ from Japan. It's right-hand drive. Today we're gonna do a mod on it. Something everybody does on their Supras. It's a 5-speed. Go ahead and show you guys what we're gonna do. I don't know if you guys know what these are. I'm sure you guys do. We'll start off with the unboxing and then I'll show you guys how to install them. Alright, so I bought these off of a Toyota dealership online. Got a pretty good deal on them. Started off, got the harness. I believe I need this because JDM. Got the bulbs as well. And then here's the tail light. Here's one of them. And there it is. There's the new tail light. The other one looks the same. I believe the other one's the one that has the keyhole right here. And then that's the original ones, the old ones. I don't know, I kind of like these, but I like the other ones better. I don't know, I might be switching off on them later. Or I might put these up for sale. I'm not sure yet. There they are. I didn't show the unboxing of the other one because it's just the same exact thing as the first unboxing. But there's the difference right there. They are OEM. Same as the other ones. Alright, so let's get to this installing. What you'll need is a 10mm socket to get this bolt and this bolt out. Same with the other side. There's only two holding these in. And just a pry tool or a flathead just to help you out with this. Once you take that bolt off, you'll have to pop this up a little bit to get over this little, there's a thing on there, I'll show you guys later. But yeah, it's pretty simple. And also these will probably help with removing the bulbs, the harness and stuff. So let's get these apart. Bolt off. So righty tighty, lefty loosey. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. We'll figure this out. It's loose enough already. You know, probably do this by hand. I'll speed up the process and I'll show you guys when I get to the other bolt. Bolt off. And this is where the part that I wanted to show you guys. So once the bolt's off, there's a little thing on there that you'll use the flathead right here and kind of lift up on it just a little bit. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Kind of lift off. There it is. It pops right off. Then you just pull the tail light slightly. You don't want to scratch up your paint. There it is. And the keyhole is right there. It's still hanging in there. So you gotta kind of, there it is. Alrighty, and there's the stock wiring. And it's the same thing on the other side. Except you don't have that keyhole because obviously it's on one side. So yeah, since I do have new harness and bulbs, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna twist off these bulbs right here. They should twist off. There it is. There's one. There's two. Three and four. Just right off, just like that. Here's the old one. There's a new one going back in. We need to figure out the harness right now. I'll get back on the video once I figure that part out. Alright guys, so I see that the harness is connected all the way back here, so you have to take this off. It'll have a couple of these. It'll have 4 of these tabs. Careful not to break them. They sit like this, so the tabs are side to side. So you just get the flathead or a prying tool. See if I can focus, and then you just push it from here and pop them out. Under that, there will be 4 screws. So you'll have to remove these. After you remove those, you lift your carpet up, and don't drop the screws like I did. They fell. I had to fish them out right now. So now you just pull this back. And it should. Oh, actually, there might be more. Something holding you down. So it looks like there's 2 more of these clips in there. I'm not gonna bother getting them off because I think I have the access I need. Because if you can see right here, that's where the plug is on this side. And then same on this side. Pull that out, see if the whole harness comes out, and we'll swap in the new harness. Looks like there's no clip on that connector. You just pull it up, and then it comes out with the whole grommet on it. There's the hole right there. The new ones come with a new grommet. Now if you have a JDM Supra, you're gonna need this wiring harness, and here's the what is it called, the model number for it. And then for the tail lights, any tail lights will work. You just need this harness if you have a JDM spec Supra. Snake the new one in there. I use the flathead to push it in there. You kind of have to mess with it a little bit, but it did go in there pretty good. Fix this one. There it is. Now we're gonna connect it. I think it only goes one way. Alrighty, it's connected. I'll put the bulbs on and we'll see how it looks before we put it back together. And then we'll check them right now. I guess someone had done work on mine previously and didn't really have that on right. The other one's fighting me a little bit, but we'll get it off. Alright, turn the flash on for you guys. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a little tab. What I did is I got the flathead. I went on the side. There's a little tab right there on the side. You push that in. See, you just push that in. Oh, there it is. I can probably show you guys right here. See, there's a tab right there. Push that in right here, and it should pop right off. You pull it up. Alright, I didn't show you guys with the other one, but all you do is you just pull it out. See right there, that'll come off. There it is. Whole thing comes out. Let's put the new ones in. There's really only one way to put this in. You just, the way you got it out, you put it back in. So you put it in from here. Pull it. Kind of angle it down a little bit. Now we'll work on getting this grommet in. Just plug this back in with that. They seem a little shorter than the stock ones that came here. Alrighty, just make sure they click when you put them in. And I kind of found out why this one was loose. Guess someone tried to go do something to it. They probably worked on this before, and they just put a piece of tape on it. So I hope it stays. Before putting everything back together, like from this end, I would put the bulbs in, test them, see if they work. Then you can put this back together, put the bulbs in the tail lights, and then put it back together, put the bolts back. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the light bulbs in there and see see if they work. Okay, the bulbs they gave me, here are the part numbers. Looks like there is 2 of the 43s right there, 43s, and 2 of the 44s. And same with the other side. And it looks like they gave me an extra 44. We'll figure out where they go on their respective slots, and I'll get back to you guys and let you guys know where they go. So after trying to install the bulbs, the 44s I found out go on the middle ones. I tried putting them on this one. It doesn't go in. I'm assuming since they're different colors, it won't go in on that one. Both went in on the middles. So the 43s, those are going to be the ones that go on the outside. Alrighty, so they're on. Let's go turn the ignition on, turn the lights on, see if they light up. Alrighty, 2 middle ones light up. Let's turn them all on. Alright, so right off the bat I see that these not turning on. I'm not sure if they're supposed to or not. Probably why. That is a turn signal. That's also a turn signal. And I'm assuming these are the reverse lights. There's that other turn signal. Let's go ahead and kick it in reverse. Let's see. It's in reverse. And there they are. Now we can put everything back together and see how it looks. Order, you put the screws in there. There's gonna be 4 of them. One right here, one right here, one right here, and one right there. Then you grab these and you pop them back in. They go this way with the tabs on the sides. Just remember, take your time, especially on a car like this. You're always one strip bolt or drop screw or bolt, whatever it is, away from having a long job. Ask me how I know. So I'll get back to you guys once I start installing the taillights. It's all done, guys. Changes the whole look. Something so simple changes the whole look. Fitment was perfect, a little too perfect. It was a little tight to get in there. I had to fight this end a little bit to put that bolt back in. Same with this side. It's perfect fitment. It's got to be its OEM. But yeah, let's see how it looks with it turned on. Got a night view for you guys. Completely changes the look on the car, both on daytime and nighttime. That reverse light's really bright too. I haven't even gone LED yet. I got the hazards, reverse light, and the regular lights on. I'm going to be doing LED bulbs later on. I just got this car 2 months ago. I imported it through Top Rank International Importers. I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff to this. It is a NA Supra. I'm working on getting a 2JZ GTE. There's going to be a lot of stuff coming. It's my first time filming a YouTube video like this. We'll be doing a lot more. If you guys want to comment, subscribe, like the video. There's a lot more coming to this. I'm going to be building the 2JZ GTE on an engine stand. Once it's all built and done, I'm going to be swapping it in. I'm going to try to swap it in my garage in my house. Let's see how that goes. I've never done an engine swap before, but I am mechanically inclined, so we'll see how it goes. For now, I'm just gonna enjoy your NA. If you guys want to follow the build, just follow this page. Thank you. Have a good day.